Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, your trusted source for elevated home and outdoor living inspiration. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Are you tired of cluttered, high-maintenance outdoor spaces? Do you dream of a serene, stylish sanctuary right outside your back door? Then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of minimalist backyard design, a trend that's all about less clutter and more calm. We'll show you how to transform your backyard into a beautiful, functional, and low-maintenance oasis. From a cozy fire pit area to a sleek outdoor kitchen, these are the top 10 minimalist backyard designs you've been waiting for. So, what exactly does it mean to have a minimalist backyard? It's more than just a style, it's a philosophy. Think clean, uncluttered spaces, a limited color palette, and a strong focus on functionality. Instead of filling the space with lots of different plants, furniture, and decorations, you choose a few high-quality, impactful elements. The goal is to create a sense of calm and order, allowing the natural beauty of the space to shine through. You'll often see materials like concrete, wood, and stone used in simple, geometric patterns, creating a cohesive and sophisticated look. The benefits of a minimalist backyard go way beyond aesthetics. First, it's incredibly low maintenance. With fewer plants and decorative items, you spend less time on gardening and cleaning and more time relaxing. It's also a powerful way to reduce stress. A clean, uncluttered environment helps quiet the mind, creating a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of daily life. This design style also makes a small yard feel much larger and more open by eliminating visual clutter and using simple lines to guide the eye. Plus, it can be a more sustainable choice. By focusing on durable, natural materials and a few well-chosen pieces, you can create a timeless space that won't need to be updated constantly, reducing waste and saving you money in the long run. Ready to get started? Decorating a minimalist backyard is all about intentionality. Start by creating a clear layout, defining separate zones for dining, lounging, or entertaining. Use paving stones, gravel, or different types of decking to visually separate these areas. Next, choose your color palette. Stick to a neutral base like whites, grays, and blacks, and then add pops of color with a few carefully selected plants or cushions. When it comes to plants, choose a few species that have a striking shape or texture, rather than a wide variety. Think tall grasses, succulents, or a single, sculptural tree. Finally, lighting is crucial. Use subtle, strategically placed lights to highlight key features, like a pathway, a water feature, or a statement plant, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere in the evening. Now, let's talk about the key items that will bring your minimalist vision to life. Here are some items for minimalist backyard designs. First, sleek furniture. Opt for furniture with clean lines and simple shapes. Materials like teak, metal, or concrete work perfectly. Think a low-profile sectional or a simple dining table set. Second, built-in seating. Built-in benches or planters with integrated seating can provide a clean, custom look while saving space. Third, architectural planters. Instead of lots of small pots, use a few large, geometric planters made of concrete, metal, or stone. They act as sculptural elements that define the space. Fourth, water features. A simple, modern fountain or a small reflective pool adds a sense of calm with the soothing sound of water without being overly decorative. Fifth, fire features. A sleek, built-in fireplace or a modern fire pit creates a cozy focal point for evening gatherings. Sixth, strategic lighting. Use low-voltage LED strip lights, recessed lighting for stairs, or uplighting to highlight trees. Avoid harsh, bright lights. Seventh, gravel or stone. Gravel, river stones, or crushed rock are excellent alternatives to grass. They provide a clean, textured surface that requires zero mowing. Now for the inspiration you've been waiting for. Here are the compilation of the top 10 minimalist backyard design ideas, complete with stunning examples. 1. A modern fireplace focal point. This design masterfully uses a large, built-in fireplace as the central feature, anchoring the entire space. The use of a neutral stone wall and simple gray furniture creates a warm and inviting lounge area. The clean lines of the concrete steps and planter boxes add to the modern aesthetic, while a small patch of artificial turf provides a low-maintenance splash of green. It's a perfect example of using strong, singular elements to create a powerful, minimalist statement. 2. The serene gravel path. This backyard embodies tranquility. A long, smooth concrete path leads the eye through a perfectly manicured space. The use of white gravel on either side provides a beautiful contrast and a uniform, clean surface. The geometric shape of the concrete path is a key minimalist element, while the simple, linear hedge and trees provide natural texture and a soft backdrop. The covered seating area at the end offers a hidden, cozy retreat. 3. The sleek outdoor kitchen and lounge. This design shows how to integrate a full outdoor kitchen without sacrificing a clean, minimalist feel. The use of a simple, dark color palette for the structure and white for the island and walls keeps the space feeling open and airy. A slatted wooden pergola provides shade and adds a touch of natural warmth, while the sleek, low-profile furniture creates a comfortable and stylish lounging area. It's a perfect blend of function and form. 4. Desert-inspired simplicity. For arid climates, this is a brilliant minimalist solution. The design focuses on using drought-tolerant plants like tall cacti and succulents as sculptural elements. A large gravel bed serves as the main ground cover, eliminating the need for a lawn. The clean, geometric white and gray walls of the house provide a stunning, modern backdrop for the simple landscape design. It's a testament to the fact that minimalism can be both beautiful and practical. 5. The modern poolside oasis. This backyard demonstrates how to integrate a pool into a minimalist design. The sharp, geometric lines of the pool and the surrounding concrete patio create a sense of order and sophistication. The use of a stunning A-frame roof over the patio adds architectural drama, while large sliding glass doors seamlessly connect the indoor and outdoor spaces. The design prioritizes open space and clean surfaces, making the entire area feel luxurious and uncluttered. 6. The white-on-white elegance. This design is a masterclass in using a limited color palette. The stark white furniture, large white planters, and white gravel create an incredibly clean and elegant look. The subtle gray of the concrete patio provides a gentle contrast, and the lush green lawn adds a soft, natural texture. The simple wooden fence adds a rustic warmth, preventing the space from feeling too sterile. It's a beautiful and bright example of minimalist design. 7. A study in contrasting textures. This space uses different materials and textures to create visual interest. The dark gray stone tiles provide a solid, foundational surface, which is beautifully contrasted by the light wood decking. The raised planter beds, made of a dark gray composite material, create visual lines and define different areas, while the simple plantings add a touch of life. It's a great example of using a limited color scheme but a variety of materials to create a dynamic space. 8. The water wall and linear design. This stunning design uses a linear approach to create a striking and organized space. The raised, rusted metal planters with integrated lighting serve as bold, sculptural elements. A narrow channel of dark river stones and a small water feature provide a central axis for the design, leading the eye down the length of the yard. The large, dark-toned paving stones are laid in a simple, geometric pattern, creating a sophisticated and timeless feel. 9. The pergola retreat. This backyard shows how to create a cozy, defined space in a narrow yard. A custom pergola with a slatted roof provides partial shade and creates a sense of enclosure. The hanging daybed and the simple, low-profile furniture offer comfortable seating. The use of oversized concrete stepping stones surrounded by Black River rocks is a clever way to create a clean path and add texture without clutter. The design feels intimate and stylish, perfect for a small urban space. 10. Tiered and textured. This design demonstrates how to use different levels and materials to create a dynamic, modern space. The raised patio, with its sleek stone steps, separates the lounging area from the rest of the yard. The use of natural wood slats on the wall and varied plantings adds warmth and texture. Subtle lighting is integrated into the steps and planters, making the space just as beautiful at night. It's a sophisticated and layered take on minimalist landscaping. Whether you have a sprawling yard or a small urban patio, the principles of minimalist design can help you create a beautiful, functional, and peaceful outdoor space. Remember, it's about being intentional with every choice, focusing on quality over quantity, and letting the clean lines and simple forms speak for themselves. We hope these ideas have inspired you to start your own backyard transformation. Which of these designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more inspiration and tips. See you next time.